Are your links and HTML files open in a wrong browser and you wish them to open in Google Chrome? Let's fix this. Just open Settings, either from Taskbar or from Start menu. Just click on Settings. Now go to the Apps section over here and click on Default Apps. Now in this search bar, start searching for Google Chrome. Select the application and click on Set Default. Now, as you can see, Google is set as default browser only for HTML and HTML files and for some most common web requests. If you wish to set Google Chrome as default for another file types, you have to do it manually. For example, for SVG, for vector graphics files, or for PDF files instead of Acrobat, for example. And that's pretty it. Now let's open any HTML file, and it's opened in Google Chrome. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.